Have you ever noticed how a man's entire mood can shift after one simple gesture? A hand on his shoulder, fingers through his hair, a touch on his arm while he's talking. Even if he doesn't say anything, something inside him changes. Here's why small touches have such a powerful psychological effect on men. Psychologists call this tactile validation, and it's tied to how men process emotional connection differently than women. Most men aren't socialized to receive verbal affirmation the way women are. They grow up hearing, "Be strong, don't be soft, man up." So touch becomes one of the only socially acceptable ways they receive tenderness. Once you understand this, you'll see why these moments matter so much more than most people realize. Here's the part most people miss. Most men are touch-starved, and they don't even know it. Studies show that outside of romantic relationships, many men go weeks, even months, without experiencing affectionate physical contact. Women hug friends, hold hands, touch arms during conversation. Men? They shake hands and slap backs. That's it. So when a woman touches a man in a gentle, intentional way, it's not just nice, it's rare. It breaks through years of emotional isolation in seconds. This happens because touch triggers oxytocin release, the bonding hormone, while simultaneously lowering cortisol, the stress hormone. Your mind interprets gentle touch as safety and acceptance. But for men who often carry the psychological weight of having to be the strong one, these small touches send a message their brain desperately needs. You don't have to perform right now. You're safe. You're valued just as you are. It bypasses all the defense mechanisms and goes straight to the nervous system. That's why a 5-second touch can stay with him for days. And this explains why men remember these moments so vividly, sometimes years later. It's not about the touch itself. It's about what the touch represents in a world where they're rarely allowed to be vulnerable. If you want to deepen connection with the men in your life, partners, friends, family, start with intentional, non-sexual touch. A hand on the forearm during conversation, running your fingers through his hair while he's relaxed, resting your head on his shoulder. These small gestures say, "I see you, I appreciate you," in a language men are actually fluent in. Remember, small touches mean everything because they fill a space most men didn't even know was empty. These little things can change the dynamic, and I want to hear how these small moments show up in your relationships. Share your experiences in the comments.